Hi, hello friends. Welcome to Fun Electronics. Do you know Night Rider's LED running circuit? In this video, we are going to simulate LED running circuit using Arduino Uno. So let's create the circuit. First of all, open a project. To create the Night Rider LED running circuit, we need Arduino Uno and LEDs and resistor. So let's select the components. First Arduino. Select the Arduino Uno board. Double click this one and then LED green, LED red, and resistor. So let's create the circuit and place the LEDs. I'm going to use 8 LEDs to simulate this Night Rider LED running circuit. So place 8 LED and also place 8 resistors. And in my coding, I am using pin 2 from pin 2 to pin 9. So let's connect the circuit. And connect the other end of the LED to ground. So like the ground. This is the Arduino code for LED running circuit. Here I have defined the LED pin from second pin of the Arduino Uno to ninth pin of the Arduino Uno, and also I have defined the number of LEDs as 8, and in the white loop I have defined all the LED pins as output, and in the white loop I have used two for loop conditions. In the first for loop condition, LED start running from left side to right side, and in the second for loop, LEDs start running from right side to left side. This is all about the code behind this circuit, guys, and let's save the Arduino code in the same folder. If you save the Arduino code in the same folder, then you can easily access this code in the Proteus. So save the Arduino code in same project folder. So click save as, I try the circuit and save the Arduino code here. And verify the code and export the hex file by using export combine binary option. Hex file is successfully created. Then you can click here, upload the hex file in this program file. Here you can see directly Night Rider folder is appear here. So double click this one, double click building, and here you can see Night Rider hex file. So click this one, click OK. So let's run the simulation. Here you can see LED is blink successfully, but brightness is not enough. So because of the resistor value, the LED is not bright. So reduce the resistor value. Stop the simulation. So now I reduce the resistor value to 1K from 1K to 10 ohms. So now let's start the simulation. Now LED brightness is okay. Here you can see LED is turning from left side to right side and then right side to left side. This is the Night Rider LED running circuit. That's all about today video, guys. If you like this video, click the like button. If you want more video like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.